Hello guys, welcome back to another Mad Farmer video. Today, I did it. The old John Deere over here couldn't do it, of course. I mean, this is a good tractor, I'll give it that. But, in reality, it should have pulled it. I didn't really have no doubts about it. So we brung down the big old internet. Why do I call this an international? It's a Alice Chambers 440. So let's get to this here. This thing is big, but it's really not much bigger than the other one. It's just articulated. But look at this. Sorry, little Dodge. Can't do it. I just lifted up the back two axles. Make this a bit easy. Don't want to hit nothing. This is probably not a good idea. But then again, how many good ideas have been happened on this channel, right? Uh-oh. Let me figure out this winch control. Pretty much all I should have to do is I think I'm hung up on a tree. Oh, it didn't detach. Well, that's not good. Whatever. It came. Didn't even hook up the PTO. I'm too confident. Now we are going to actually unhook this. And give this back to the neighbor at some point. I'm just going to pull it over here for a second. And now, let's get this loaded up. That truck can run, as I said in the last video, but it really can't drive. It's not going to start up too good, I wouldn't guess. I should have really brought the skid loader. I just one heavy piece of metal. But it does run. But I can just feel the things that are wrong with it. It's just crazy. Compared to my Pete, this thing is junk. It rolls pretty bad too. Can't even get up on the trailer there. Come on, Dodge. Your Ram, you might be able to do it. Come on, man. There. This is terrible. Okay, let's get loaded up, get back to the farm. Pick up that big monstrosity of a tractor. I believe I'm going to leave my tractor in that field of the, the thing where we got that. I got to thinking, in that rusty tractor, that rusty tractor. I don't think I will even bother getting it out. I couldn't see a reason why I'd need to, really. Ah, that's a steep pop off there for the low boy. Oh boy, we're high topping it. Oh, that's not good. Whatever. Now, we got that done. It really took us 5 minutes to do that. Hard to believe. Time flies. We're gonna take this farm, get it unloaded, and a lot of you guys are gonna be like, dude, why did you waste time going and borrowing a tractor if you could just move it and drive it? One, because all the tires are really flat. Two, because the thing can barely run. Three, because it has no brakes. And four, just because there's a beehive in that thing. I know it. I just feel it. I know it. Come on, Pete. Pull up the hill. Whoops. Hit that a little hard. My plan is just to put it over here in the grass. I ain't wasting even a shed space for this thing. That ain't good. Died. Now we're rolling. Don't know how we're rolling uphill, but well, it was going to put it back behind the shed, but it died. Probably because there's no fuel in it. Now let's go get the Alice Chambers, bring it back over here, the farm, and then I guess the neighbor come pick that up. Farmers around here, man, they're awesome. They help each other out. Just awesome. I was looking if I seen my screwdriver. I lost it. Guess not. Whatever. Oh, that ain't good. That ain't good at all. My door won't shut all the way. It keeps falling back open. See? Whatever. Fall out of the truck. I'm gonna get mad. This truck's loud. I'm thinking about trading it in for a different truck, but I mean, it's not like I don't love this truck. I absolutely love it. The only thing is, it's a bit out of my league. Talking in all seriousness, should probably focus on driving, but it's not a truck. It's really out of my league. I mean, of course I do own it, but whatever. I could sell it, get a cheaper truck like a Pete. Well, this Pete here don't look half bad, but I guess a KW. I don't use very many KWs around here. It's a high hood. I don't really like that, but something along those lines, or just keep old blue. Old blue, baby. Old blue. Can't get used to my blue being open up. That's weird. Oh boy, diesel prices are going up. I gotta hurry. Okay, so let's load this up and I probably need an overloaded sign for this thing, but it is what it is. I mean, we're not going far. Probably have to drive this thing back, but that ain't no fun. Go, diesel passes are going. Oops, probably need to pick that thing up, don't I? Oh, that ain't good. That part of the logo is fading out a little. That paint, blue paint. I'm trying to get the color match the truck, but the truck ain't fading out as quick as. Grief, we don't be able to pull it. It really ain't good if you can't. I'm running around 25. I should be going 55. I'm flooring it too. My little 10 speed. Now, of course, we're going to take out the culvert, but trust me, I had a good idea. Uh-oh. Oops. That probably wasn't a good idea. Pull this forward, I actually don't like to get this stuff out. There we go. I knew it would come out, I just had to get it. And it didn't point, but whatever. But this thing is the heaviest tractor in farming sim, so whatever. I'm not even joking, it is heavier than that quad track, easily. Well guys, I'm going to take a quick nap. Normally I'd cut this out of the film. I think I will just because I really want to see how this truck does. I'm not sure make it up the hill. I believe the idea to getting that tractor was just having enough weight. I mean truck. That guy's farm is right pretty close to ours. I guess I could just take the tractor to him. But this is his field. I ain't even gonna try making it up that hill. Should I? Yeah, let's give it a shot. I'm flooring it. I don't get how this is a thing. This thing just keeps going to the back of the trailer. Okay, so I made it back to the farm, and I'll hop out of old blue, and we're just gonna leave that loaded. Neighbor come back and get it at some point, I'm sure. We need to go and grab our manure spreaders with one of our tractors. Let's take this New Holland. This thing runs like a champion. I'd say this thing could have moved that truck easily now that I think about it. This thing has more power than probably all of them combined. And it's a two-wheel drive. Well, maybe I should have filled it up with diesel. Oh. Safety switch. Whoops. You have to hit the green lever right there and hit that up. And if you don't forget, it dies because it's just a safety feature. I don't really understand it, but it's a thing. Car's coming. See if Richie here can lend me my manure spreader back, and we'll see what we can do. I put it over here somewhere near the Bobcat and stuff. Yep, there it is. Perfectly right up. Oh wait, no, I didn't. I put it over there. Where's he working on it? One of the axles had broken on this, so I took it over here earlier before I'd started that video where I found that truck. Believe it or not, I was literally waiting for this to get fixed, and I was just riding my ATV around, and sure enough, I happened to go right there at that river, and there it was. I had to hook up my manure spreader tractor to it. It's manure spreader and tractor. Go over here and put this back up. The tractor isn't necessarily road legal for two reasons. A, it don't have beacons that work. Two, those tires, they're really not good for the road. It has a beacon, it's just shot out. I don't know what's wrong with it. Open that. Can't go anywhere with that out. Our farm's organized. What would you know? Get the skid loader. I was playing around with that thingy. Well, I'm not going to say what I was doing necessarily. Put that over here. Okay. So, here's the plan. I just wanted to go over everything. We are at some point going to get cattle. Do I know when? No. I have no idea when. Whatever, it's one of these gates that open. Whatever. Anyway, I have an actually pretty advanced cow system here. You unload them, they come straight in there, you block off this door and that door. And then there's a gate right here. And they just go in. That easy. So, yeah. Well, that can't be good. Whatever. I'm gonna pretend I didn't see that. I'm sure it's loaded when we got up. I'd probably just fell off the trailer or something. So, we got that. We have our little Massey Ferguson over here. got to really give an equipment tour for that tour, so that's what I'm doing. This thingy, it actually runs too. You've seen Little Blue, you've seen the 8110. You saw that. That's just going to sit there for a while, I guess. This you guys did not see. This is the corn thingy. Believe it or not, it's actually real. Yes, I do have a corn thingy in Farming Sim. Yes, I do. But it's just the turbo farm all. They're all over the place around here, so it isn't like I'm using the classicest tractor I can find, but it isn't like I'm not doing it in style. We have Old Blue, we have the F700, and then we have this tractor, which is a 2950. That was a 2955. This is a 6110. Big combine. Boss. Lexion. That's how it's pronounced. So, we have this tractor, which is not necessarily don't be a disc game tractor, it's going to be just a main tractor, so let's have to fix that. I need to put this disc in that other shed. I'm a good backer upper when it comes to discs. This tractor is a hard one to do it with. Turning radius is terrible. I mean, terribly tight. Okay, so right in here, and we'll unhook it and put the tractor away. Oops, wrong thing. Beautiful. I believe I actually could have used this tractor and moved that with a loader and everything on it. We have a Ford. That's the tractor I'd probably own. Yeah. That's about all there is, really. So, I'm just going to stand here in between this tractor. And, yeah. So, I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one, and peace out.